Yo, what's going on? Welcome back. So today I was bearish, so I marked out every single low, every single high right here. So let's see. All right. So off market open, we had a big structure to the upside right here. We had market was going down on ES. So I waited for a big structure on Nasdaq. Then I waited for a family retrace back up right here, which we did have on Nasdaq and on ES as well. We had a huge S&T. We took out the highs, London highs, and then I scaled down to the 1 minute. I waited for a family retrace back up, which we did have, and then I waited for a break structure to the upside or to the downside and a fair value gap, which we did have right here. Break structure to the upside and then inverse fair value gap. A huge candle down. So that confirmed my bearish move right there. And yeah, a little 1.23 RR trade today. Could have had my stops there, could have made even more money today, but it's okay. We still made $540 on the week. We're still up. So this was the first trade of the week. It's Monday. Hopefully we can keep this up the whole week. And yeah, I'm up 1K on the month. And we will see how it goes. But today was a pretty good day. I knew that we were gonna go lower because every time we have some kind of huge S&T. Off start, I was actually bullish a little bit, but then we didn't have no family break structure to the upside. Then I switched my bias to bearish. So yeah, waited for a family reach back up. Then waited for a break structure. There was not really any trades somewhere around here. Um, only trade, only trade that I could have taken was probably a quicker trade. Would have probably been here, but would have made a lot more. But yeah, I waited for a little bit more confirmation, which we did have right here. But off start I targeted to these lows, but I thought the lows were too low, and yeah, then I just went for a smaller RR. I wanted to target here as well. I wanted to have TP1 and TP2 here, but I don't really do that anymore because I don't make that much money when I have TPs set. But yeah, so I have just one TP and yeah, made $540 on the day. Would have made a lot more, but it's still good for the day. Um, and yeah, that's probably gonna be it. Um, we had like a big structure to the upside on uh Nasdaq, and we had like a huge SMT at the lows. Like right here, we had let's see, yeah, if we had this has our SMT right here, and we had a big structure on Nasdaq on the 5 minute, or if we didn't have a big structure on the hourly, because we had a hourly big structure to the downside, so that just confirmed my bearish move as well. So I scaled down a little bit on the 5 minute, and then waited for the 5 minute shot back down, which we did have multiple. It was unsuccessful for retracing back up to the highs, and yeah, pretty successful trading day today. That's probably gonna be it for today. I think there's news tomorrow. Yeah, there's news tomorrow at 5. I think there's news the whole week. Actually, let's go over the whole week, the whole next week as well. Wednesday there's news at 3:30. Tuesday news, no news on Friday. Monday there's no news. Tuesday there's news. A lot of actually news. Tuesday, no, Thursday CPI news, and Friday there's news as well. So we're gonna see how them goes. Yeah, that's probably gonna be for me today. Made $540 on the day. Up 1K on the month, and yeah, gonna see y'all tomorrow. Love y'all. Stay safe, guys. Peace.